How to enable iMessages on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to enable iMessages on iPhone. So let's get started. So first thing, just open up your settings on your device, and now to enable it, just head over to your messages by simply heading over to the apps section from the bottom of your screen. And once you're inside here, just locate the messages application as I mentioned previously. Now simply select this messages option, and once you're inside here, you can see my iMessage is already enabled. So if you have not enabled it, it will be shown like this, which is a gray, and you can just tap on this green button to actually enable it. And you can also click on this send and receive to actually set your primary phone number as well as your email address to receive your messages. And make sure that the people you want to talk in iMessages will also have to activate or enable the iMessage on their devices as well. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.